Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths unit 2 numbers. Exercise number 2.1 you will learn for estimation. Today start the class for word problem. Fifth sum. The cost of a pen is 32 rupees. Find the cost of 6 pen and estimate it to its nearest tens place. So this one sum is given to you. Cost of pen. One pen is 32 rupees. So find out for 6 pen of cost. So write the answer for estimate the nearest tens place. But before the sum is asking for actual value and difference, find out for estimation value. But here given only actual value and find out for estimation. No need to do for difference. So write in your class of 5th one sum. The cost of pen is 32 rupees. Find the cost of 6 pen and estimate it to its nearest tens place. Draw the tabular column. Actual value, estimation value. No need to draw for difference. Okay. So cost of a pen is 32 rupees. Estimated 32 value is 30. Nearest tens is 30. So cost of 6 pens. Asking here cost of 6 pens. So do for multiply. 32 multiply 6, 192. 30 multiply 6, 180. So here asking for nearest tens place. So nearest tens place means you find out the value is estimation value for 180. The next one, sixth sum. Arun has 47 rupees. Raja has 54 rupees. Find the sum and estimate it to its nearest hundreds place. So this one is asking for hundreds place. So actual value, estimation value. Arjun have 47 rupees. So nearest tens place value is 47 means you write the number 50. Raju is 54 rupees. So round of value for 50 rupees. The next one asking for do for sum. So do for plus addition. 7 plus 4, 11, 1. 1 is carry over. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 101. Then 50 plus 50, 100. So as the question for nearest tens place is not here. This one for hundreds place. So you check whether for tens place number. So the nearest hundreds place. So you check whether tens place value. This value is 0. So compared to 5. 5 is less than the 0. 5 விட 0 number smaller number. So you do for same hundreds. Already you know for ones place check whether and find out the tens place value. Same method here. Tens place you check whether and you write the hundreds place same number or after hundreds. Okay. So this is 0 smaller number compared to 5. That's why you write the answer is 100. Seventh one. There are 21 chocolate bar in a packet. Find the number of chocolate bar in 9 such packet and estimate it to its nearest hundreds place. So actual value and estimation value you find out now. First one, chocolate in a packet for 21 bars. So 21 round of 10. Nearest tens. So 21 ke nearest 10 is 20. So the next one, chocolate in 9 packets. So 21 bars is here for 1 packet. So totally 9 packet is given here. So 21 multiply 9. So you get for 189 bars. But here 20 multiply 9. So estimation value is 180. So nearest hundreds place is asking you. So 189 is the number. So you check whether 5 greater or smaller number for tens place. So tens place number is 8. Check whether 5 is greater number for 8. So you should write for here hundreds place is 1. So next one number for 2. So hundreds place means 200. 100 after 100 is 200. So this is the next nearest hundreds place value. Okay. This is the last sum word problem. 132 peanut candies are shared equally with 12 students. Find the share for one student and estimate it to its nearest tens place. So actually you have the peanut for 132 shared equally for 12 students. Shared equally for 12 students. So 132 divided by 12. So how many times you get for 132? Already you know the division. One time 12. 1. So take out and write for 2. 1 time 12. So 0. So this is the answer. Quotient is the answer now. So 11. So nearest tens place. 11 nearest tens place is this number ones place is 1 compared to 5. 5 ஓட 1 compare பண்ணும்போது 1 is smaller number, 5 is greater number. 5 is a greater number, that's why you write for same tens value. So here tens place is 1, so you write 10. So nearest 10 place is 10. So same one student is having for 10 peanut candies. So find out the answer is 10 peanut candies for each student having. Okay. Seventh one sum is given for 1 packet and such is 9 packets. So such 9 packet means you do for multiplication. But eighth one sum 132 candies shared equally. So find out the word shared equally means do the division. So 12 students shared, but you find out the only one student how much having. That is question. So easy to find out this one for division. 132 divided by 12. Okay. Exercise number 2.1 is completed. The next one's topic 2.2 systematic ordering. Logically find out something based on the condition. Logically find out something based on the condition. Already you learned the numbers. Here given some kinds of order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to not end for this numbers. So this is called for natural number. So orderly given here sequence of natural number. This is called for sequence of natural numbers. The next one 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this numbers is kinds of odd number. Already you studied that before that class. Primary classes you studied which one is a odd number, which one is a even number. So easy to find out sequence of odd numbers. This is called for 1, 3, 5, 9, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The next one 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 2 skip counting 2 tables numbers. So this is called for sequence of even numbers. The next one sequence of square numbers. Already you studied for sequence of square numbers. 1 tables, 1 ones are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. Already you studied that square number. So this is called for sequence of square numbers. The next one, sequence of prime number. Which one is called for prime number? 2ன்ற நம்பரை 2 டேபிளில் போட முடியும், 1 டேபிளில் போட முடியும். 3ன்ற நம்பரை 3 டேபிள் அண்ட் 1 டேபிள். 5ன்ற நம்பர் 5 டேபிள் அண்ட் 1 table. 7ன்ற number 7 table and 1 table. So this one only do for 2 kinds of tables. Same number, same table and 1 table. That is called for sequence of prime numbers. This is called for the prime numbers. Prime numbers is do for the same itself. அந்த டேபிள்ஸில் மட்டும்தான் போட முடியும் அப்படின்ற போது அது வந்து ப்ரைம் நம்பர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, சீக்வன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரைம் நம்பர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மல்டிப்ளைஸ். Multiplies is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So continuously given for 2 tables. The next one 4 tables. 4, 8, 12, 16. Continuously you write the numbers for multiplies is 4. The next one, add the same number and set a successive numbers. ஸோ 1ன்ற நம்பருக்கு அடுத்ததாக என்ன எழுதியிருக்காங்கன்னா 2 3 லீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு 4 எழுதியிருக்காங்க. 5 6 லீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு 7 எழுதியிருக்காங்க. 8 9 லீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு 10 எழுதியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ லீவ் த 2 numbers. ஸோ சேம் ஆர்டர், சேம் நம்பர்ஸ் and a set of successive numbers next after numbers added to 2 numbers and write for this successive numbers. The next one, subtract number. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, then 32. Then 32 before number 31, 30, 29, 28. Then 27. 27 before number 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. So 4 numbers skip பண்ணிருக்காங்க but before number. So this is saying yes, subtract. Before that add, this one subtract. Then next one, multiply. So here 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So multiply by 3 table. 3ன்ற numbers 3 table skip counting மாதிரி எழுதியிருக்காங்க. The next one, divide. Divide means 64 2 டேபிளில் டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, 32 கிடச்சிருக்கு. 32 2 டேபிளில் டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, 16 கிடச்சிருக்கு. 16 2 டேபிளில் டிவைட் பண்ண என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 8 கிடைக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் டிவைட். ஸோ நம்பர் ஆர்டர் இஸ் டூயிங் ஃபார் எனி ஒன் மெத்தட் கான்செப்ட் தட் இஸ் கால் ஃபார் சிஸ்டமேட்டிக் ஆர்டரிங். This one for book exercise given to you. Fill in the blanks. So easy to find out. First one number is 5, 10, 15. Then next one number easy to find out now 20, 20, 25. Then next one second sum 30, 24. So here for subtraction or easy to find out this one tables is 6 table 6, 12. After number is 18. Easy to find out method, any one method, do the tables or subtraction method. 30 before number you find out for 24. 24 before number 18. 6 skip counting. Then next one 7, 9, 11. The next number is odd numbers. Easy to find out. 7 after odd number 9, 9 after 11, 11 after 12 leave and 13 number, 14 leave and 15, 16 leave and 17. So this is the odd number. The next one 1 square value, 2 square value, 3 square value. Next one 4 square value. 4 square value is 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So this is the square value. The next one order 1, 4, 7. So this is for adding. 1 after 2, 3 leave and write for 4. Then next one 5, 6 leave and 7. The next one 8, 9 leave 10. 11, 12 leave 13. 14, 15 leave and 16. 17, 18 leave and 19. So this is for leave the numbers or you do for addition. One after two number added after you write for next successor. Okay. Add the successor same number. The next one. Let's give the number to the English alphabet. Already you learned the alphabets A to Z. How many letters is here? 26 letters. So all the letters is given the order. A அப்படினா first letter. So first அதனுடைய place value is 1. B na 2, 3, 4, 5 அப்படின்றது place values கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த place values யூஸ் பண்ணி நாம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So if cat cat என்ற word கொடுத்திருக்காங்க is அதனுடைய value வந்து 24 சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So இந்த 24 என்ற value எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க அப்படினு சொன்னா C உடைய place value is 3. So 3 ன்னு எடுத்துறோம். Next A உடைய value வந்து 1. So 1 எடுத்துறோம். T உடைய value வந்து 20. So 20 எடுத்துறோம். இந்த 3 நம்பர்ஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 3 24. So 24 என்ற ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So இந்த pattern first one sum கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then you find out for BAT bat. Bat அப்படினும்போது திரும்பவும் நம்ம அதே மாதிரி find out பண்ணனும். B உடைய value is 2, A உடைய value is 1, T உடைய value is 20. So 20 plus 1 plus 2. 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 2 23. This is the answer. So this is one kind of method. Another one method is given to you. Boy. Boy னும்போது அதனுடைய values என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படினா B உடைய value 2, O உடைய value 15, Y உடைய value 25. So 2, 15, 25, 3 values is given here, but write same line. That straight line la அப்படியே எழுதிருக்காங்க. So same method used to do for girl. Girl க்கு நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். G உடைய value 7, I உடைய value 9, 7, 9, R உடைய value 18. So write for 1, 8, 18. Then L உடைய value 12. So write the number 12. So 7, 9, 1, 8, 1, 2. Easy to find out now. Then next one. Pen, pen. Pen உடைய value 35. So find out for pencil. Value is 59. Same method used to book exercise. Book exercise page number 20 is given this. Answer the following. Book value is 43. So you find out now pen value. So PEN, pen value you find out now and use the tabular column. P value is 16. E value is 5. N value is 14. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5, 1 is carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So, pen உடைய value வந்து 35. Same method use here and do now. Book value is 43, so pen value is 35. Next one, school value is given here. S letter value, C letter value, H letter value, O value, O value, L value. Directly write one by one. So easy to say method you do class CLASS class. So find out now. C value is 3, L value is 12, A value is 1, S value is 19. So write now. Use the tabular column and find out the answer. C letter place value is 3. L letter place value is 12. A letter is 1. S letter is 19. S letter is 19. So this is the answer. So remaining 3 sums is here children. You work out and find out the answer.